Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you are having issues with Netflix. It says we're having problems playing this title right now. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. First thing I would suggest would be to open up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. And now into this Elevate command line window, you want to type in ipconfig space /flash DNS, exactly how it appears on my screen. So again, ipconfig space /flash DNS. Want to enter on the keyboard once you've typed that in. And now we can close out of here. Try and relaunch Netflix and see if that's resolved the problem. Another thing you can try would be if you open up the start menu, type in apps. When the best match should come back with add or remove programs right above system settings. You want to left click on that. So now you want to look at the apps and features section until you found Netflix, and you just would left click on the Netflix app one time, and then there'd be an option to reset right underneath of it. So again, it's pretty straightforward as well. So again, Netflix, you left click on it, that you should be able to select, or you might have to click on modify first and then reset. So pretty straightforward again on that as well. Another thing you can try would be to open up the start menu again, type in device manager. When the best matches should come back with device manager, left click on that one time. And now you want to expand the display adapter section. So either double click on display adapters or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand it. And then whatever display adapter is listed in here, you want to right click on it, left click on update driver, and you want to search automatically for updated driver software. Please note if it doesn't find anything, you're welcome to write down the driver name and go online and see if there is an automatic utility that can get you a new driver directly from the manufacturer's website. It's always an option. Sometimes this utility will not actually be able to find new updates. Sometimes you have to go out on your own. And you can also search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and then there'll be a selection you can go through and see if it would be able to identify it. So different things you can play around with there, but hopefully I led you guys on the right path to resolving the problem at hand. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.